Rain, rain, go away. It don't matter, honey, because I'm sequestered in this hotel for 14 days per New York law. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, Baldhead Basics, and today we're going to talk about something that I bought while I was at TJ Maxx. Recently, I was shopping, just looking for something, you know, a little like long sleeve shirts, things like that. But I went to the little men's section where you can buy like shave creams, gift ideas, things like that. And I came across this little Hurley for men. It's a shave cream, not like a aerosol pump that we're used to. So I was excited to try it. I've never tried a shave cream before, so I'm super excited for you guys to see the results on that. One thing I will tell you that today's video is sponsored by nobody, of course, because y'all don't even subscribe to me. So please subscribe, get in on the conversation. Let's grow the channel. Let's grow the channel and see if we can't make it something great. All right, stay tuned. See you soon. Enjoy. All right, so let's get into it. Here I am, just prepping the skin, just like as normal. Oh, hey, Robert, what's up? So remember, hot water, warm water, whatever you can stand. I like to use warm water, let it sit for a second. With this one, I didn't know how I was going to react, so I wanted to let my skin get a little moist longer than I normally would, because I just let it go and be done. So, opening it up, I didn't realize that it had one of those little safety foils on it, so, you know, we have to deal with that. Anytime now, Robert. Anytime. All right, Hurley, as I said, shave cream for men. Really excited because I've never used a shave cream before. I've always used pump, if you will. I've never used the kind that even get mixed in the bowl. But as you can see, the consistency reminds you of like a shampoo, a conditioner, a body wash, anything like that. So this is new territory for me, for sure. Same way, lather it over. I got a nice, what I thought was a nice amount, and put it all over my head. Make sure everything was covered as always. I thought initially this was going to get thicker as you put it on. You know how when you put on a shave cream, just smelling it, smells like soap. It really does smell like soap. But I thought you just put it on and it would get a little thicker. I realized that with this stuff, to start, I'm like, let me put a little bit more on. Let me make sure that this is good and lathered, and that way I can't say I didn't give it a fair shot. All right, so I'm using my Mach 5 razor from Gillette. It has nice 5 blades on there to get the job done. Like I said, stuff I don't know what I'm using, I try to use either a better shaving cream or a better razor when I'm trying out new products. So far, okay. I will be honest, after that first 2-3 passes, I was like, this is pretty good. You know, because it wasn't pulling. I could feel the soothing in the product, and it was just a nice difference. I was expecting it to, I guess, essentially wash off the razor a little better. The first couple times I was having to remove the shave cream from my razor to get it clean for the next pass. So what I ended up doing was just turning up the temperature on the water, making it a little hotter, and that did the trick with making sure that the shave cream falls off a little easier. As far as like shaving with like soap, like if you were to grab some type of shampoo, or even, God forbid, if you were in a real tight and needed to grab lotion, that's what I feel like this is shaving with. It's obviously drying, you know, not as I use it, because I guess I need to quicken up my speed, or it's going to be, I'm going to have a dry shave in a minute, and that's going to be scary. it doesn't feel bad. I love the fact that my head is feeling extremely moisturized as I shave. I haven't touched the skin that I have already shaved, but just using this, I can feel the razor just gliding over without having to do much effort. I kind of like this shave cream. I think it's safe to say we all have a spot on our face, especially people who have full beards and can do a full beard. We have a spot on our face that's just a little bit more tender. For me, it's going to be the area around my mouth. All of that hair in the circumference of my mouth, you will see me kind of do that last. I feel like that is like the most sensitive areas where I would probably get razor burn or trying to go too quickly, but that is where I usually get my most irritated skin. Some people are on their necks, some people on the under of their chin. For me, it's right there around the circumference of my mouth, especially the mustache area. I try to take my time with that, as I do not want to bump up or get hurt or anything like that. I would say it's also some of the most stubborn hair, so you'll see me give that area a lot of love and also being extremely careful because I'm not trying to no cuts, honey. Got all the scragglers. Even though I'm on quarantine, I still want to make sure that I look all right. Of course, we do the back of the head check with the phone. I don't always have a mirror, so for me, this is the best way to check. And this is enough for me. It's so funny. I wish I were like able to do this with my left hand as well. I feel like shaving would take literally 4 minutes for me if I were able to just keep switching. Maybe that's it. Finish up with the warm water. I shave before I go into the shower. So some people shave after they get out of the shower. For me, I shave before I get into the shower. That way I can use my Dr. Bronner's and make sure that I got everything I need to get to. Make sure those pores are cleaned out before I put any oil or anything like that on there. Some spots I think I missed, even though I didn't. But when I looked back at I had everything. It was so smooth. This was probably one of the best. So all in all, I would say it's a great buy. I've never used a shave cream before, and this is amazing. I feel hydrated, yet I got the job done. I've never thought I would be a fan of a shave cream, but this has totally made a difference in how I'm going to do this from now on. It says for softens and hydrates for a close and smooth shave. So I think that this will be my thing from going forward, to try more of the shave cream. Anyway, hope you enjoyed today. Like, comment, subscribe. Remember that we're trying to establish this brand. Not just shaving, but also, you know, we're doing men's style, a little bit of health, some travel, just an overall men's brand, go-to if you will. So come along with me in this journey. Until next time, bye.